Ranking 5 MWII pistols without knowing the next one. BF Tech Siege. BF Tech Siege is a really good automatic pistol with amazing fire rate. So I'll put it at number 1. Alright, the 50GS. The Deagle is a really good gun with great damage. So I'll put it at number 2. Alright, the X13 Auto. The full auto Glock has an amazing fire rate, but the highest ranking is number 3. The GS Magna. The GS Magna is just a fully automatic deagle, and the highest place is number 4. Alright, the last one. P890. P890 does good damage, but is not full auto, and so it is number 5.